How to transfer USDT from Bybit to Tonkeeper. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can transfer USDT from Bybit to Tonkeeper. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. Before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to transfer the USDT from Bybit, you need to first open the Bybit application. After opening the Bybit application, you just need to tap on Assets at the home screen. You can see at the very last option, just tap on Assets. After tapping on Asset, you just need to tap on Withdraw. You can see Deposit, Withdraw, Transfer, and Convert. So you just need to tap on Withdraw here. After tapping on Withdraw, select your you need to select USDT. Just type in USDT and tap USDT. So here, after choosing that withdraw process of USDT, you need to enter the address and network and the amount. So that address and network, you need to copy it from the Tonkeeper. You just need to simply go to Tonkeeper and select deposit. Under deposit, just select USDT, and there you will get a QR code and a code. So you just need to copy those code here and paste it here. After that, you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer from Bybit, and just simply go on with the withdrawal process. And that's how you basically transfer USDT from Bybit to Tonkeeper following those steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.